We got to run down and pick up the Mini. Foggy day. Looks like RX usually make a handful of trips down here a year. Fortunate enough, the boss bought a 304 mini excavator last year, so got 2 cat skid steers. It's nice when you get to work with nice equipment. Let's see if we can find our 304 here. Here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. The rain. She's all back in one piece. Here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. The rain. Quentin out there cleaning up.